with which organizations and companies are trying to build lifelong relationships. Today, there is a war for talent going on. While we live in a world where there are more than 7 billion people, if you talk to the human resource department of many, many companies, one thing that they will complain, that the talent that they are looking for, they are not getting.
Not available.
Why is that? The reason is, every job requires a combination of talents and interests. And the right combination of talent and interest is not so easy to locate. So today, worldwide, there is a scarcity of talent, in spite of the fact that the world is bursting with people. So today, there is a war for talent. Let me give you an example. Today, one of the hottest area of growth is the growth of companies which are developing applications meant for smartphones. So, application developers are in great demand. The Android marketplace, the application market space for Apple iOS, for Android marketplace, and the Windows marketplace, all of them are growing very fast. People are spending more and more time on their smartphone applications. So companies want to rush to market with newer and newer applications. But the number of people who have the requisite skills to produce those applications are limited. As a result of which, it is difficult to locate these people. Now, there is a great rush for companies to locate the people with the skills and life experience. I am talking of only one such area. There are hundreds of such areas where the demand for people far outweighs the supplies of people. In ISTPL, we are planning to start a blog where we will discuss different hot areas where jobs are being created in the technology management area and the telecom management. We shall discuss that. There is no other source which discusses these two areas like this. We are planning to start something like this. You will see in the next few months some stuff coming out. Now, when there is so much war for talent going on, the companies needs to attract and retain the best people, which becomes a big challenge. How do you make your workplace an exciting place for people to work in? Companies are breaking their head, wondering how to make their place more exciting. There are companies now which list, is the internet there?
Yes, sir. It's there.
Must just go up to the here, computer.
IT rep.
Oh, IT rep. Oh my God. Please. Sorry, I did not mean any reorganizing now. But IT rep has to produce results. Okay. So IT rep, go to YouTube.
Are you sure? Why, sir? I know. Why, sir? Of course, I know it. Why? I like everyone in this class.
That kind of statements are made by politicians, not by students. Let's be practical.
I don't like him. I don't.
Hate him.
It's not, yeah.
Because no situation.
I'm neutral about him.
You don't like him, but that was ridiculous.
Okay, in this class, what are the videos which I have shown till now? Starbucks.
Starbucks, yeah.
We had an AdWords.
this board of the tablets is left on the
Where that person is explaining, yeah. So can you follow?